Drive it.
Open the door, get in. Now push the pedal. Push the pedal. This is forward.
I don't know. We moved our cars out, you know.
No, push forward. No, push. There, now push the pedal. Push the pedal. Push the pedal.
Nick, watch out. Okay, turn around. Turn the wheel. Turn the wheel. Turn the wheel. Turn the wheel. Turn the wheel again. Turn her around. Turn her around so Don can see her. Turn her.
And an engine.
Okay, here. Oh, push the gas pedal. No, wait right there. It's in reverse. Push that. See? Back up. Turn around.
Turn the wheel. Turn the wheel.
Stop. Stop.
What? Huh? What?
I think she wants out.
What do you think of that?
You have to open the door to get out. What are you got? Hubcap wheels? Beers?
Well, you got so fast.
Look in there.
Stop.
Open it.
Get in there. Drive it.
Pull.
Yep. Get in there.
Okay, that's as far as it goes. Now you gotta get in.
Close the door. Hold it. Look here. Door's open.
There you go. A little more.
There.
Now turn the wheel.
Hit the gas.
Turn the wheel, and
gas.
she went and back.
Put your foot on that gas. That makes it go. Huh? Yeah.
She wants to go forward.
This goes forward.
Whoa, reverse. Reverse. Yeah, turn the wheel. Keep the horn, get out of the way. Oh,
Does the horn work?
motor.
Does the horn work?
Yeah, this one.
Yeah.